Hi guys, so it's currently 9:54. My lash appointment is at 10 o'clock with Simone the Lash Very High, but I don't have my money and I'm still in my driveway. Welcome to my first video. Yeah. And this is gonna be my birthday prep because my birthday is in 5 days. So we're starting now, we're starting early. So yeah, first things first is my lash appointment, but I need to hurry up and get there so I can have a lash appointment. Yeah, but I need to go get money and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna check back in. I did make it to my appointment. It's 10:08. Got here pretty fast, got the money, got everything. And I'm here with my lash tech in the house. Hey. Today I'm doing a volume cat eye. I need to find a picture because I saw this lash map on TikTok and I thought it was so cute. There we go.
First new set.
Right, by my girl, the Lash Fairy. Yeah, definitely very cute. It's definitely giving birthday. Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of this birthday prep. Do not mind my freshly washed and blow dried hair. It is currently 9:17. I have a nail appointment at 9:30 with my nail tech Jazz, and then I have a 12:30 wig appointment, wig install, frontal wig install, that I'll be going to. So time to get started with that. I kind of need to eat something because I'm really hungry, but I'm running low on time. So yeah, see you guys when I get there. Hey guys, so I'm here waiting on my nail tech. It's currently 9:35 or something like that, and I'm waiting on her. Made it inside. Wait for my nail tech to get settled, but no rush, no rush. And I'm doing like a not long, medium. Still have to go to work. I'm doing like a long medium chrome set by Black and Chrome. So yeah, I have a lot of pictures that I'm gonna show her. She'll make some work.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes.
Okay, guys, I know y'all see the nails. Y'all see? The other hand is kind of a little bit different, but yes, my hair appointment actually got pushed back to 1 o'clock, but that's good because I just got finished and it's almost 12:30 and the hair appointment is 20 minutes away, so everything works out. So yeah, I'm on my way to my hair appointment. Hi guys, so I made it to my hair appointment. A little tiny bit late, but that's okay. I came immediately from my nail appointment, as you saw. So doing half of half down on a wig I got from Amazon. I'm gonna link it. Everything, I'm gonna link everything or whatever. Half of half down with some curls in it. Even though my birthday is until what, 3 more days, I'm still gonna probably throw some curls in it, and then I'll just recurl it on my birthday or whatever the case may be. I'm a new stylist, so we'll see how that goes. See if I'm vibing. Recommended to me by my cousin, so I'm trusting it. But we'll see.
Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between. That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around. Find one to see my type. That my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Jury in the
Hi guys, so I went and got my eyebrows waxed by my girl Mary. Hopefully y'all can see that definition. She always eats every time. I don't get my nails done by her anymore because I found a nail tech, but Mary at the nail spa do it every single time. Been going here since I was really young. That concludes my birthday prep. I hope you guys enjoyed. My birthday is tomorrow and I'm so excited. But yes, I hope you guys really enjoyed, and this is my first video, so let me know how I did in the comments. Let me know what you want to see more of, what I can improve on, because even though I'm the best, I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect. So yes, but thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and bye.